Hi, this is Sagar Joshi and Panagiotis Theotras from Georgia Institute of Technology presenting relevant region exploration on general cost maps for sampling-based motion planning. Sampling-based algorithms are an attractive technique for solving the motion planning problem in higher dimensions. To generate random samples and incrementally grow a graph online. Having an efficient sampling strategy is crucial for speedy convergence of these algorithms. A widely used approach is the uniform rejection sampling. However, this can lead to redundant exploration. Some other sampling approaches include informed sampling, transition test-based methods, machine learning-based approaches, etc. Now let us consider the informed sampling approach. Let us assume that a feasible solution with cost Ci is available after I iterations. Then the informed set can be defined as follows. Note that the informed set considers the heuristic estimate of cost to come and the heuristic estimate of cost to go to get an underestimate of the solution cost through any point x. Thus, the informed sampling approach can provide theoretical guarantees that all solutions with cost better than Ci lie inside the informed set. However, if the heuristic estimate fails to provide a good estimate of the solution cost, the informed sampling effectively resorts to uniform random sampling. And this can especially happen in case of planning on general cost maps. Now let us consider the transition test-based RRT or TRRT. TRRT is essentially catered towards planning on a user-defined cost map. It uses a metropolis criterion-based transition test to accept or reject potential new states. This promotes exploration in low-cost areas. However, it does not focus exploration to a subset of the search space based on the current solution. Secondly, the probabilistic rejection strategy may not scale to higher dimensional spaces. In this work, we address the limitations of informed sampling and transition test-based RRT by proposing a relevant region sampling-based method. We define relevant region as follows. Consider the set of all vertices for which estimate of cost to come and the heuristic estimate of cost to go is less than the current solution cost. Note that this cost to come estimate is obtained from Planner's tree structure. Next, define an epsilon ball around these relevant vertices. Now, for any point in this ball, consider the following estimate of solution cost. Then we define relevant set as follows. Finally, the relevant region is defined as a union of relevant sets around all the relevant vertices. Notice the difference in the cost to come estimates used in the relevant region and the informed set. The informed set uses the heuristic estimate of cost to come, whereas the relevant region uses Planner's tree structure information, which depends on the location of obstacles and the nature of cost map. This also reduces the dependence on heuristics. Due to this, it can also be proven that relevant region is a subset of informed set and can be used to further focus search while planning. In this work, we propose a generative technique to sample the relevant region. The fact that relevant region is a subset of the informed set implies that sampling the relevant region does not lead to a redundant exploration. But note that sampling the informed set is a necessary condition to improve the current solution. However, this is not the case for relevant region, which means that there may be points outside the relevant region and in the informed set that might improve the current solution. Hence, relevant region is utilized in conjunction with informed or uniform sampling. This interplay of exploration by informed sampling combined with focusing properties of relevant region leads to an accelerated convergence. The proposed approach for sampling the relevant region works in three stages. First, a relevant vertex is selected. Next, a random direction is sampled. Third, The maximum magnitude of travel along this direction is calculated so that the new sample lies in the relevant region. This essentially amounts to solving the following optimization problem. First, we solve this optimization problem for the case of uniform cost map, for which we have the following inequality. Solving this, we can get the maximum magnitude of travel. Next, we consider the case of general cost maps, for which the following inequality needs to be solved. In order to have a tractable procedure to solve this, we make the 0th order approximation of the integral, which gives us this inequality. This can then be solved to obtain the maximum magnitude of travel as follows. Finally, let us discuss a method for selecting vertices in the relevant region for expansion. So we allocate a weight for each vertex in the relevant region. Here, the first term represents number of times a particular vertex has been selected in the past and hence penalizes multiple selections. The second term signifies the number of edges connected to a vertex. This promotes sampling in relatively unexplored areas. Finally, the third term prioritizes selection of vertices with low solution cost estimates. The lambda parameters modulate the behavior of the selection algorithm. We use a binary heap data structure to sort and update the relevant region set according to this weight. We perform numerical benchmarking tests to compare against informed sampling and transition test-based exploration. In all cases, the proposed method outperforms the other approaches. So in conclusion, this work proposes a novel algorithm to sample the relevant region set, which is a subset of informed set. The relevant region considers the topology of free space, reduces the dependence on heuristics, and effectively focuses search to accelerate convergence. A natural balance between exploration and exploitation can be attained by balancing the informed sampling and the relevant region sampling. We also propose a generative procedure to sample the relevant region set. And we show that using the proposed method leads to a faster convergence in uniform and general cost-based environments. Thank you.